In this video, I'll show you how to use Brevo to create effective email campaigns. Start by logging into your Brevo account. Once on your dashboard, head to the Campaigns tab and click Create a Campaign. Choose the type of campaign: regular for standard emails or A/B test to compare different versions. Give your campaign a name and set your sender info so recipients recognize your brand. Next, customize your email. Pick your recipients, craft an engaging subject line, and design your email. Brevo offers templates for quick setup, a drag and drop editor for branding with logos, colors, and fonts, a simple editor for basic edits, or HTML code for full control. Always preview and test your email to ensure it looks perfect on all devices and all links work. Once satisfied, either send immediately or schedule for the best timing. And that's it. You're ready to send professional email campaigns in Brevo that engage your audience. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick Brevo tutorials.